You know, when I dreamt about being stuck on a deserted planet with a gorgeous woman, there was no torpedo.
Dr. McCoy, may I remind you, you are not there to flirt.
So how can these legendary hands help you, Dr. Marcus?
Bones.
To understand how powerful these weapons are, we need to open the warhead. To do that, we need to access the fuel compartment. Unfortunately for us, the warheads on these weapons are live.
Sweetheart, I once performed an emergency C-section on a pregnant corn. Octuplets. Let me tell you, those little bastards bite. I think I can work some magic on your missile.
Dr. McCoy, there's a bundle of fiber optic cables against the inner casing. You'll need to cut the 23rd wired down. Whatever you do, do not touch anything else. Do you understand?
Right. Thought never crossed my mind.
Dr. McCoy, wait for my word. I'm rerouting the detonation processor. Are you ready?
And raring.
Good luck.
Sir, the torpedo just armed itself.
The warhead's gonna detonate in 30 seconds.
What the hell happened? I can't get my arm out.
Target their signal, beam them back right now.
Transporter cannot differentiate between Dr. McCoy and the torpedo.
We cannot beam back one without the other.
Dr. Marcus, can you disarm it?
I'm trying.
Jim, get her the hell out of here.
No, if you beam me back, he dies. Just let me do it.
10, 9, 8,
Standing by to transport Dr. Marcus on your command, sir.
4, 3, 6.
Deactivation successful, Captain.
Dr. McCoy, are you all right? Bones.
Jim, you're gonna want to see this.
USS Vengeance Bridge crew requesting entry to construction hangar.
You are cleared to enter the hangar.
I need a welding team on the #1 nacelle.
Holy shit.
What have we got?
It's quite clever, actually. This fuel contains